Hi everybody, today we will talk about the difference between MPO and MTP connectors. MPO is the first generation of multi-core fiber optic connectors designed by NTT Corporation of Japan. MTP is a trademark registered by US Cornell for its own MPO connector, which has been optimized through a number of innovative designs. Therefore, MTP connectors have better mechanical and optical properties than ordinary MPO connectors. MTP connectors fully comply with the professional standards of all MPO connectors. Now let's talk about their specific differences. First, after the MTP connector is inserted and removed 600 times, the end face near the guide hole is basically intact. After the MPO connectors is inserted and removed 500 times, the end face near the guide hole is obviously damaged. Second, the spring design of the MTP connector can maximize the space given to the rainbow fiber compared with the MPO connector, so as to reduce the damage to the fiber caused by the spring activity when inserting. Third, MTP connector's guide pin fixing clip can prevent the guide pin loss. Moreover, the MTP connectors allows the MT plug to float within the jacket frame, improving mechanical properties. In this way, when the two MT connectors are inserted, a certain external force will not change the physical contact of the two end faces, and the optical performance will not deteriorate as much as possible. MPO-MTP fiber optic cables have multi-mode and single-mode. Multi-mode MPO-MTP fiber optic cables can be used in more than 40 optical modules, such as single-mode MPO fiber optic patch cord. Single-mode MPO fiber optic cables can be used in. Did you learn? We will see you next time. Bye.